Imagine living in a city that never sinks, never runs out of power, and floats above the rising seas. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's closer than you think. Welcome to the future of floating smart cities. Self-sustaining megastructures built directly on water. These futuristic cities are powered entirely by renewable energy, solar panels, wind turbines, and even wave power. Skyscrapers double as vertical farms, producing fresh food year-round, while AI manages water purification, waste recycling, and smart transport systems. Each city module connects like Lego blocks, meaning they can expand endlessly as populations grow. And best of all, they're designed to withstand storms, rising sea levels, and natural disasters. Floating smart cities promise a world where humans and nature coexist in balance, a futuristic paradise on water. What if your glasses could replace your phone, your laptop, and even your TV screen? That's the bold vision behind Google AR glasses. The futuristic eyewear set to change how we see the world. Instead of pulling out a phone, imagine real-time translations appearing right in front of your eyes. Need directions? An arrow floats along the street, guiding you turn by turn. Shopping, prices, reviews, and even coupons pop up as you look at a product. These glasses blend the digital and physical worlds seamlessly, powered by AI and advanced augmented reality. They're lightweight, voice-controlled, and designed to make daily life hands-free. The future is no longer about staring at screens, it's about wearing them everywhere you go. Google AR glasses aren't just a gadget, they're a step toward living inside a world of endless information. Would you wear them? Imagine skipping hours of traffic and flying across the city in just minutes. That's the promise of air taxis. But not everyone is on board. While companies push for flying cabs to hit the skies, fierce disputes are brewing. Supporters call air taxis the future of urban mobility, quiet electric aircraft that take off vertically, cut emissions, and save time. But critics raise serious concerns, from air traffic congestion, noise pollution, and battery safety to the fear of mid-air collisions over crowded cities. Regulators face tough questions. Who controls the skies? How do you certify safety for thousands of small flying vehicles? And will these futuristic rides be for everyone or only the ultra-rich? The dream of turning a 45-minute commute into a 10-minute flight is real. But the debate over air taxis shows us the future of travel won't just be about technology, it will be about trust. What if you could board a train in New York and step off in London just a few hours later without ever leaving the ground? That's the mind-blowing vision of underwater railway trains. These futuristic trains would travel through massive vacuum-sealed tubes laid beneath the ocean floor. With no air resistance, capsules could reach speeds over 600 km per hour, faster than planes, yet smoother and more energy efficient. The benefits are huge. Instant global travel, zero turbulence, and a sustainable alternative to long-haul flights. But the challenges are equally enormous. Building thousands of miles of tubes under crushing ocean pressure, ensuring airtight safety, and preventing catastrophic leaks. Still, engineers believe breakthroughs in materials and AI monitoring systems could make this dream possible within decades. Underwater railway trains may soon connect continents at lightning speed, shrinking our world like never before. What if going to space was as easy as riding an elevator? Sounds impossible, right? Yet scientists are seriously exploring the idea of a space elevator, a megastructure that could change humanity forever. Instead of rockets, imagine a giant cable stretching 22,000 miles from Earth up into orbit, anchored to a floating platform at sea. Robotic climbers would carry people, satellites, and cargo into space at a fraction of today's cost. The potential is massive: cheap space tourism, easier missions to the Moon and Mars, and endless clean energy from orbital solar farms. But the obstacles are equally massive. We'd need ultra-strong materials like carbon nanotubes, flawless safety systems, and international cooperation to manage a structure taller than anything ever built. If successful, the space elevator could turn space into our new backyard and open the door to a true spacefaring civilization. The future of communication is about to leap off the screen, literally. Holographic smartphones are being developed to project 3D images and videos right into the air. No glasses or headsets required. Imagine attending a video call where the person appears as a lifelike hologram in front of you, or watching a movie that seems to float above your desk. Gamers could battle in 3D worlds spilling into their rooms, and students could explore anatomy or history with interactive holograms. These devices rely on advanced optics, AI, and ultra-fast processors to render holograms in real time. The challenge? Packing this power into a phone-sized device while keeping battery life practical. Still, major tech companies believe holographic smartphones could replace traditional screens entirely. Soon, your pocket won't just hold a phone, it'll hold a portal into another dimension. Imagine stepping into a sleek pod that scans your entire body in seconds, detecting diseases before symptoms even appear. That's the promise of AI personal health pods, a breakthrough that could revolutionize medicine. Inside, advanced sensors map your organs, blood flow, and even your DNA. Artificial intelligence then analyzes the data instantly, flagging early signs of heart disease, cancer, or vitamin deficiencies, long before a doctor could. These pods don't just diagnose, they also recommend treatments, lifestyle changes, and even generate prescriptions on the spot. Some concepts include robotic arms for simple procedures, turning the pod into a mini clinic at home. The potential is massive. Faster diagnoses, reduced hospital visits, and healthcare that's personalized for everyone. Critics worry about privacy and data security, but one thing is clear: AI personal health pods could transform how we take care of our bodies. Scientists believe the secret to eternal youth might not be in a fountain, but in nanobots smaller than a cell. These microscopic machines, known as immortality nanobots, could one day live inside our bloodstream, repairing damage from the inside out. Picture this: nanobots identifying cancer cells and destroying them instantly, fixing broken DNA strands, and even reversing the wear and tear of aging organs. Instead of treating disease after it appears, your body would be in a constant state of repair. Researchers are already experimenting with prototypes that can deliver drugs directly to cells or clear dangerous clots. The ultimate goal? A world where aging slows dramatically, diseases vanish before we notice them, and human lifespans stretch far beyond today's limits. Of course, questions remain: who controls this tech? How safe is it? And should humans even live forever? Still, immortality nanobots could make science fiction our reality. Imagine walking into a courtroom where the judge isn't human, but an AI trained on centuries of legal cases. The idea of AI judges and lawyers is closer than many think, and it could completely transform justice. AI-powered systems are being designed to analyze laws, review evidence, and even predict verdicts based on precedent. Instead of waiting months for a trial, disputes could be settled in hours with lightning-fast legal reasoning. Lawyers, too, could be replaced by AI assistants that draft arguments, find loopholes, and ensure no detail is overlooked. Supporters say this could eliminate bias, corruption, and the high costs of legal battles. Critics, however, warn about flawed algorithms, lack of empathy, and the danger of machines deciding human fate. Whether society embraces it or not, the rise of AI in the courtroom may be inevitable, raising the question: can true justice ever come from code? While cities keep growing and farmland keeps shrinking, one futuristic solution is rising straight into the clouds: sky farming towers. These vertical skyscraper farms could change how the world eats. Instead of sprawling fields, each floor of these towers is packed with hydroponic and aeroponic systems, growing vegetables, fruits, and even grains without soil. IAI controls lighting, water, and nutrients, ensuring maximum yield with minimal waste. Sky farming towers use renewable energy and recycle water, making them far more sustainable than traditional farms. Fresh food can be harvested right in the city, cutting out long transport chains and reducing carbon emissions. The vision? Cities that feed themselves, resilient against climate change and supply shortages. Critics point to cost and scale challenges, but innovators believe these towers could end food insecurity for billions. Sky farming towers aren't just farms, they're the skyscrapers of survival. The future isn't just something we wait for, it's something we're building right now. From floating cities to space elevators, these inventions prove that imagination and innovation know no limits. If you enjoyed this journey into tomorrow, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next breakthrough. Which invention excited you the most? And which one do you think will actually become reality first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take.